Hello students, I am Shiv Prasad. Welcome in maths class. Students, today we are going to study maths chapter 10 practical geometry. Okay. Exercise 10.1. Students, first question has given draw a line say AB, take a point C outside it, through C, draw a line parallel to AB using ruler and compasses only. Okay, now see the solution of question number first. Students, first of all, draw line segment of any measure of any length. Okay, and give the name A and B. Okay, after that take a point C outside it. Okay, suppose that here is C. Okay, now join C to AB. Okay, now join C to AB, which intersect to AB at D. Okay, now with D as center, take any required radius and draw an arc. Okay, take any required radius and draw an arc. Suppose that this arc intersect to BC and BD at E and F. Okay, now with C as center with the same radius, draw another arc. Okay, now with C as center, draw another arc which intersect to CD at G. Okay, now with G as center, okay, take the radius is equal to EF. Take the radius is equal to EF. Okay, like this. With G as center, take the radius is equal to EF and draw another arc which intersect to previous arc at H. Okay, now join H to C. Okay, now join H to C and extend to both sides. Okay, suppose that this line is PQ. Okay, so PQ parallel AB. PQ is the required line segment parallel to AB. Okay, next question number second has given draw line L, draw perpendicular to L at any point on L. On this perpendicular, choose a point X 4 cm away from L. Through X, draw a line M parallel to L. Okay, now see the solution of question number 2. Students, now see the solution of question number 2. First of all, draw a line L of any length. Okay, draw a line L. Okay, after that draw perpendicular on L. Draw perpendicular. Okay, take any required radius and take any point on L. Suppose that it is P. Okay, now with P as center, take any required radius and draw an arc which intersect to L at Q and R. Okay, now with the same radius, with R as center, draw an arc which intersect to previous arc at S. Okay, again with S as center, with the same radius, draw another arc which intersect to previous arc at T. Okay, now with S and T with the same radius, draw another arc which intersect to each other at U. Okay, now join P to U. Okay, and extend up to V. Okay, now take the radius 4 centimeter. Take the radius 4 centimeter. Okay, with P as center, draw an arc which intersect to PV at X. Okay, it is 4 centimeter. Okay, now draw a line parallel to L through X. Okay, so with X as center, with X and as a center, take any radius. Okay, take any radius and draw an arc which intersect to PV at A and B. Now again with A as center, with the same radius, draw another arc which intersect to previous arc at B. Again with B as center, with the same radius, draw another arc which intersect to previous arc at C. Okay, now with B and C as center, draw two arcs which intersect to each other at D. Okay, now join X to D and extend it both side. Okay, suppose that it is line M, so M parallel L. Okay,